Alright guys, today we are making tollgate system using Arduino. So without further delay, let's get started. We need these components to start the project. Buying link is given in the description. This is the area where we will keep all the components, and this is the road for the cars. Here are the dimensions as well. Now we will upload the code to the Arduino board. Just open the Arduino IDE, copy and paste the code from the link in the description. After that, select your Arduino board and port, then simply click on upload. You will see the code is compiling and then uploaded successfully. The next step is to connect everything together. You can also connect the LEDs and OLED display to the breadboard as per the circuit diagram. But for a clean look and more reliable operation, I built a custom PCB for the lights and the OLED display. I used the LTM to design my own PCBs. By using LTM, I get a clean and organized routing instead of messy jumper wires. It also allows rule-driven checks, so the design is verified before manufacturing. Overall, this approach makes the project more reliable and much easier to assemble. If you are new to PCB designing, you can also explore free resources and student programs offered by LTM Student Lab. They provide access to design tools, step-by-step courses, and certifications that help you build practical skills and prepare for real-world projects. Click the link in the description to start designing your PCB with LTM Student Lab. Once you have downloaded the Gerber file, you need to outsource the PCB manufacturing to a service like JLC PCB. Just head to their website and upload the Gerber zip file. For the specs, set the board to 2 layers. Choose how many copies you need. Set the board thickness to 1.2 mm. Now add this PCB to your cart, then check out. You can track your order from their fast 24-hour manufacturing and you will receive your board within a week. JLC PCB also manufactures 1 to 8 layer boards including flex PCBs, metal core PCBs and high frequency PCBs along with PCB assembly services starting at just $2, and their quality is top notch. The PCBs is looking good in white color. The PCB cutout is proper and the copper print looks correct. Now let's solder the components on the PCB to test its working. The project is working perfectly. A huge thanks to LTM and JLC PCB for supporting this build. All the files and detailed information are available in the description, so make sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this project, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. You can also follow Simple Circuits on Instagram to stay updated with the latest builds. That's it for today's project. I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.